In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute all in League of Legends. This is a simple, reliable way to cut out distracting or negative chat so you can focus on playing your best. Before we start, it's important to know that this only works when you're actually in a match with other players. I'll demonstrate in the practice tool so you can see the steps clearly, but because there aren't any other players in this mode, you won't see the usual confirmation that others were muted. Don't worry, that's expected. The command is exactly the same in a real game. Once you're in a match, the process is straightforward. First, open your chat. By default, you can do this by pressing the Enter key, which brings up the text box at the bottom of your screen. Make sure your cursor is active in that chat box so the game knows you're typing a command. Next, type the command exactly like this, /mute space all. In other words, mute all. It's not case sensitive, but it does need the slash at the beginning and the space between mute and all. When you're ready, press Enter to submit the command. In a normal match with other players, the game will now stop showing you text messages from everyone, both teammates and opponents. This is a match-only setting, which means it applies to the current game you're in. It's ideal if you want a clean, quiet experience without having to mute players one by one. You might see a small system message in your chat confirming that the command has taken effect, and from that point onward, you won't receive new chat messages from others in that match. A couple of quick notes to help set expectations. Because I'm demonstrating this in the practice tool, there aren't any other players to mute, so you won't see a confirmation message here. That's normal. In a real game, you'll know it's working because the chat from others simply stops appearing after you use the command. Also, this focuses on text chat. The purpose is to remove distractions so you can concentrate on your mechanics, map awareness, and decision making. And that's all there is to it. Open the chat, type, mute all, hit enter, and enjoy a quieter game. If you found this helpful, try it the next time you want a calmer match atmosphere and see how much easier it is to focus on your plays. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.